everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this roller liner eyeliner from Benefit. So this is the tiny one. I have a tiny sample size which is tiny. It's like 0.5 milliliters, so 0.01 fluid ounces for you who are in the States. So it is tiny because I'm a cheap person. I like sample sizes. There, I said it, and I'm not afraid to admit it. I never used a big one, so sample sizes are the way to go. But this was actually a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and I'm just happy to try it out. If you want to see how I did everything else, then go check out my Makeup Plus Medical talk, where I talk about what is blood, and also my Fenty Beauty highlighter video review. So this video is also part of the end look of both of those videos, so I'm going to zoom you in a little bit closer and let's add an eyeliner to this lip. You're a bit closer, so let's start. So, I thought it was going to open the other way. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Really sharp, tiny little tip. I hope you can see this. And if you go across, it does leave a really nice sharp line. So I'm going to start putting it on. And I'm just going to swipe one way and hope not to screw it up. Swipe it together. I now have a wing that needs to be cleaned up, and I'm just going to go into my eye and create a nice little cat eye. One eye is done. I quite like it. I like going into the very center with the tiny little tip because I think it gives more dimension to my eye, so that's something I like doing. And I also like going a little bit to the bottom because I also think that kind of brings the whole thing together. First thoughts, I like it. The tip is really tiny and really nice, but at the same time it also gets like bigger in the end. Color is really nice. It's supposed to dry down matte, and it does dry down completely matte, so that is nice. And first thoughts is that I really like it, so I'm gonna do my next time. I have two eyes, my other eye as well, and you can watch me do this. The other eye is done. I hope I didn't block your view with my mirror. If I did, then you didn't see. I cut it out, so we'll see in editing magic. Anyway, final thoughts, I really do like it. It gave a really nice cat eye, and it was easy to put on. It dries completely matte, so really nice. Did like it. So you'll see the end result of all my tiny videos I did today in a bit. So thank you, and I do like it. I'd use it again. I will use it again. I need to use it. If I have it, I need to use it. So this is the final look. If you want to see how it all came to be, then be sure to wait and check out my next videos about this. So the Better Than Sex mascara and the NARS lip pencil video. So I liked it. It dried down really nice and matte. It looks like it's going to stay for a while, and I do like that. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe. I hope to see you soon watching something else. So thank you and bye.